Let's talk about Global Kitchen Sharp Serrated Scissor Shears. Designed by Komin Yamada, distinctive global design, made in Japan. The blade is finely serrated for a better grip and smoother cutting operation. Manufactured from quality molybdenum vanadium stainless steel. Hygienic and easy to clean. Lowered fulcrum location to enhance leverage and cutting power, cleaning care. Wipe clean with damp cloth recommended. Approx Kitchen Shears Length, 820 cm. Approx Kitchen Shears Width, 39.50 cm. Key product features and product description provided by Brandcentre. Had them for a while now, wanted to wait before posting a review to see how they have lasted. They are extremely robust, perfect for cutting tricky things like the rind off bacon when it's all a big slippy. They clean well, but I would not leave them wet, especially around the joining screw. And, as you can see from the picture, they also look lovely and fit on the global knife rack very well. Totally recommended. I love the global range. You quickly get used to holding precision instruments, and after several years of using global knives, I thought it'd complete. The set arrived the following day and appear to cut through anything. As with all global products, they are perfectly balanced and comfortable to hold and use. Expensive, yes, but if they last a lifetime, surely the expense is justified. These are the best kitchen scissors I have ever had, an elegant design and razor sharp.